I'm Melissa Guzman, a licensed real estate agent and your dedicated seller's representative specialist. If you're ready to sell your home and you want to maximize the value while minimizing the stress, you're in the right place. As your seller's representative, my job is to protect your best interests, make sure every detail of your home sale is seamless. I'll work closely with you to make sure you get top dollar for your property and enjoy a smooth, stress-free experience. When you list with me, you'll have access to my flexible listing packages, each one designed to maximize your seller net. From professional photos to videos and drone footages, scheduled viewings, offer tracking, and exposure on over 900 online platforms, I'll get your property the attention it deserves. You'll receive a personalized home valuation workbook packed with market trends, property analysis, and a free seller's net sheet. Everything you need to make confident, informed choices about your sale. And with my Pricing Strategy Plus service, I'll help you price your home using expert appraisal techniques and a comprehensive market analysis. This means serious buyers, shorter negotiations, and avoiding unnecessary delays. Selling your home shouldn't be stressful. It should be exciting. Fill out the form below and get started.